How y'all doing? My name's Mac, Tool Guy. I'm going to tell you today about my favorite DeWalt Power Tools and accessories. I'm just starting this channel. I'm from Fort Lauderdale. I've been working with tools my whole life. Had a lot of jobs, and let me get right into it. That's what you want to hear about power tools. Alright, this is the DCS 578 7¼ inch. I'd say Gen 2 Flexvolt circular saw. They had a previous one and it just didn't work out for them like this one did. This one really came together nice. It's got 5,800 RPMs. I don't know the torque, but it's got a lot of torque. It is on the torque test channel. Reference that. They show, just check it out, guys. You'll see it was #1. Sorry to give it away for you, but and actually Rob Robillard, whatever I don't know, Concord Carpenter, that one. He also rated it #1 on his show, and I actually bought this in a kit with the drill right here, the 9-amp battery and the 2-amp battery and this charger. And let me talk about its little brother. This is the 512 DeWalt 12-volt Xtreme saw. It's 5 3/8 inch, 5 3/8 blade. Obviously brushless, all these, and it's I thought it was kind of a joke when it said 12-volt circular saw, and it was like $60 or something on Whoop. Got it, and it's my go-to now. It's like a one-handed circular saw. I shouldn't say that. It's a two-handed circular saw, safety reasons. Yeah. 3,600 RPMs, I think. But this thing, it gets through everything. It's bogged down on me a few times, but that's about it. Next, let me go into the DCD 796. This is probably one of the most underrated drills. It was replaced by the 805. This one's a hammer drill, so they have the 797 that has Bluetooth, but this has 0 to 550 RPMs in mode 1 and 0 to 2,000 RPMs in mode 2. It doesn't have the mode 3 like the 996 and that 99s. It has a metal chuck. It's compact, light. It's a good drill. I would say it's got about, DeWalt does that unit-watts out thing. I'd say it's got about 650 inch-pounds of torque compared to other stuff that shows the torque, I guess I'd say. Yeah, this is a good battery to use with it. Actually got this recently. It's a newer one. It's the same as the 1.7 amp power stack. Its number is DCB-P034G, 30.6 watt hours. It's just got a chemical and oil resistance on it. It's got a little extra overmold on there, makes it a little tougher. I think they're aiming at like mechanics or something like that. And for these accessories here, this drill, this magnet, I've used like lag bolts with it, and it holds them. This is for the max torque bits, I believe, and this is the upgraded version right here. I say the upgraded version, but it's actually for the flex torque. This is the metal one, and it's the same, but this one's metal, and I mean it's metal. That speaks for itself. This one we got is just a bed holder, magnetic, but pull it out, and it's an offset one. This is for the spots you can't reach with the drill, under cabinets, in little corners, stuff like that. This thing will most likely get the job done. Definitely one to keep in your toolbox, your go-to box. They call it a pivot holder. There you go. The max fit, and comes with a little #2 bit in there. Put any bit in there. Well, you want to use one of the short ones, obviously. So this here is the I'll call it the, I don't know, transformer, I guess. Put it back together. This is my second video, y'all, so bear with me here. So it's a right angle with the extension, and DeWalt's right angle extensions, they don't have the resistance like the other ones do, and it kind of holds its shape a little, and it, like I showed you, it does a few things. It actually has this in the back in case you get the bit stuck, which is nice, and comes out, you know, use it like that. They say you can use this like an offset kind of thing, get in certain tough areas. And their bits in general, you know, the stacked and everything, they're good. This is the one I used to use. This is the one prior to it, the right angle one. Same thing, doesn't have the resistance like it. I use that one a lot more now. But these things will get the job done, you know. See that profile in there, small. Yeah. This charger here, this came as part of the kit. These two, the batteries. I say this is the best charger they got because it's it's only 6 amps, but unlike the rapid charger that's faster, this does 12 volt, 20 volt, and 60 volt. So I'd say that's DeWalt's best charger, and this is definitely DeWalt's best battery. The 9 amp Flexvolt battery. It's got the 21700 cells, and it really does make a difference. I'd say this is their best battery by far. Again, reference the Torque Test channel. This 12 volt, I like to use the 5 amp battery on it. The 2 amp will do it, but 5 amp, I mean, why not, you know? But I like using the power stack with this one. Let me just show you out here. See there? Pretty good. I got this long bit holder, but also DeWalt, the little accessory. This one. So, yeah. These are my favorite DeWalt Power Tool, guys. DeWalt Power Tools. New to this, I'm going to have some reviews and, you know, tool unboxing, reviews, all that stuff. I appreciate the time it took to watch the video. If you could subscribe, try not to let you down. Try to get some free tools, man, to be honest. So, like, comment, subscribe. Thank you. Mac the Tool Guy.